Hey guys, how are you? I am sitting in my car. I'm a hot mess, is really what I am. I'm a hot, stinking mess. But, and my allergies are off the charts. Anyhow, I am sitting in my car. I'm waiting for time to go by because I'm always 500 hours early for everything. And so I'm sitting in a church parking lot and I am waiting to go to my ex-husband's house. And we are going, me, him, and then obviously my youngest son who plays hockey. He plays up in Cleveland for one team and one team down here in Canton. So anyhow, the team in Cleveland this weekend has a tournament. The plane. Anyway, so you probably can hear it. It's going to go right over top of me. I'm right by the airport. So yeah, there's that. Anyway. So he has a game tonight, so we're going up to Cleveland for that. So it's like, I don't know, 6:45 and I'm supposed to be there at 7 and I'm literally around the corner. So I'm known to do this and get there early and then he gets mad at me. So I just usually sit at a parking lot or the park around the corner from his house. I'll sit there. The struggle is real. I don't know why I do this. I do it with everything. I get to class 500 hours early. I'm always the first one at class. Like, it's just weird. I don't understand. It's just, my dad was always an early person, and my mom would, like, run late to be, well, on time or just a little bit late. And my dad would say, Yvonne, what do you think I have? A helicopter? Like, whatever. It was weird. So I guess I get this from my father, and I have always been an early bird, and here I am, 500 hours early. So yeah, I'm still drinking my coffee from this morning from McDonald's. Yep, it's disgusting, and I do this every day. Although I do have a coffee cup that I like to take. I got it in Myrtle Beach. I'll have to show it to you guys sometime. That thing is bomb. And you can make coffee in the morning. And I put a plastic straw that I stole from another cup, whatever. It's one of those hard plastic ones that you don't have to throw away. You just wash and reuse it. Anyhow, so I put that in it, and then I carry that thing around all day. Yesterday, I made coffee at 9 o'clock in the morning, took it to class with me, took it to work with me, and I just kind of sip on it all day. I can't say, like, I'm sucking it down, but anyway, I had it full. So by the time I got home, because then at lunch I got a soda, whatever. So by the time I got home, you would think, oh, that's, it's 7 o'clock at night. It's almost been 12 hours. Oh no, coffee's still warm. Like, granted, I'll drink it cold because I like iced coffee, but yeah, still hot. That cup is the bomb. So anyhow, all right, well, I am going to check the time. So I'm going to try my hand for a few days here with some vlogging, not blogging. Different thing. Vlogging, and this will probably go up middle of the month or whatever. So it's the 31st, so I'm calling it the 1st because I'm off work, and to me it's already the next day. So anyway, I'm just going to take you along, and as I do things this month, I'm just going to, or at least for half the month, I'm just going to tape them and make it into a vlog, and we'll go from there. All right, well, make sure that you subscribe. I hope you like this. Leave a comment below if you like this style of content, and I will record again very soon. Hi everyone, happy Sunday. I look like a hot mess, I know that. I am actually going to the country to go for a little ride and see some friends and do that sort of thing. So I'm going to take you along with me. So that's why my hair is up like this, so it's not like whipping in my face. I like to have my windows down. So I just got gas, as you can tell. There's the bump. Just got gas, and I am off for Sunday Fun Day. So, all right, I'm on my way.
Let me see what you can do.
Now being without you takes a lot of getting used to learn to live with it. But I don't want to. To the left, to the left, to the right, to the right, to the front, to the front, to the right, to the right. Now slide, slide, baby, slide, just slide, baby, slide, just slide, baby, slide. Come on, to the left, to the left, to the right, to the right, to the front, to the front, to the right, to the right. Now dip, baby, dip, come on, dip, baby, dip, baby, dip, baby, dip, baby, dip, baby, dip, baby. Cotton candy, green and yellow, every freedom to zero. I don't know what you've been told. It ain't the butterfly, it's the juice roll. A brand new dance out. Grab a partner and get on the dance floor.
Good, happy Tuesday morning, day after Labor Day. I am on my way to school. Hair's crazy. Ooh, the sun got you. So, hair's up, halfway up. What are you going to do? It's going to be hot today. It's going to be in the 90s again. I know I'm going to be at work, but, you know, it is what it is. So, anyway, I thought I would take you along my day. Sorry, that was a little close. You didn't need all that. Take you along my day with me. I am on my way now to school, and then I'm going to work. The girl I work with is not going to be there, so I thought that I could take that opportunity and show you my work a little bit. And I might go to hockey practice tonight. I might go to tacos and trivia tonight. I don't know what's happening tonight. There's actually quite a few things I can do. So, yes, I'm driving while I'm doing this. It's very, very frightening, but I can do it. Ha! Anyway. So yeah, here we go. I'm on my way to school, and we're gonna get this done. Managerial accounting, it's horrible. It's horrible. So I guess, anyway, managerial accounting class today, and I guess it could be a lot worse, but it's not a fun class at all. But, you know, it is what it is. I have 2 friends in the class, so anyway, we act a fool. We act a complete fool. So, alright, well, I am pulling in now, and I will talk to you later. Alrighty, well, class is now over. I got that done. So when we lived through that, and now we picked up food. Well, I picked up food, and now I'm at work. So I'm gonna go in. It's hotter than I can begin to tell you. It's already 90 degrees, so I can't imagine with the heat index what it is. I'll check in the next update. I will tell you. So once I get to my desk, I will show you my office, and there you go. I'll see you in a little bit. my little office. There's Ronald. I work for a franchise owner of a McDonald's, in case you guys did not know that. So this is my little office. And then if you go through this door where Ronald sits, he's so cute. I love him. I call him Ronnie. There's Ronnie. This is what we call the conference room, but this is where I do orientations and that sort of thing. So like I said, and then this is the other part of the office. I'll take you through here. There's the owner's office. The girl I work with, that's her office. This is a little desk we use for information. Another office never gets used. And then this is what I like to call my uniform room. So I handle all the uniforms, and so there you have it. That is the office. So I'm gonna sit here and work till about 4 o'clock, and then I am going home. Yay! All right, that's all. That's my office. Hello, I am home from work. It's just, I left work at like 4:30, so it's just going on 5. So I'm just going to do a few things, and then I'm going to go to my son's hockey practice, and then I'm probably going to go to Tacos and Trivia. I go with a group of my friends on Tuesdays to Tacos and Trivia. My eyes are feeling funny. Okay. Anyway, a girl that I went to high school with, she had put on Facebook that they were going to start going to Tacos and Trivia at this little bar that sits on a lake by where I live. Anyway, they were going to start doing that on Tuesday nights, and it was in the beginning of summer, and I thought I would be social and go, so I did, and I've really enjoyed it. So I probably will do that tonight, and then come home. I have to finish up a video that goes up tomorrow on Wednesday, and then I have a homework assignment that I need to take care of. And then I'm going to bed because I'm working a long day tomorrow to make up some hours. So, because I was off on Monday, but I make my own schedule. As long as I make at least 70 hours in 2 weeks, I'm good. But I can work anywhere from 70 to 80 hours in 2 weeks. So there's that. It makes it kind of nice. So anyway, so that's kind of what my plan is. And again, I'm going to take you along with me. So this whole day of vlogging, I'm doing pretty good. I'm actually remembering to pull out my camera. Here at Goodwill, see what kind of deals they have. So just gonna do some thrift shopping, and I will keep you posted. Ready. So I just got off work. As you can tell, I went to Goodwill. I'm a mess. Oh, I'm a mess. Anyway, I went to Goodwill. I am going to be doing a fall trends video, so watch for that. It's going to be a good one. But anyway, I'm going to do it on a budget, obviously, because I don't have $1 million spending at high-end stores for clothing for fall, and it's for one season. So anyway, I'm going to be doing a fall trends, what's already in my wardrobe, and thrift haul. So anyway, so I went to Goodwill. I got good stuff. So there's that. I spent like $18, and I got that. Good deal. And then when I got home, I had a box here. I don't know what all it's showing you. Oh, good. That's not my address. And this is from Elf. And I'm going to be doing a video on an unboxing, which, I mean, I've opened it. I've looked at the products, but I have not opened the products. So I was just excited. I forget even what I ordered. Whatever. The shipping was quick, but it took them a week to get it to me. The shipping was kind of slow in my opinion, but you know, it came from, oh my gosh, I can't read that. Where'd it come from? Ontario, California. Okay, so that makes sense. That makes sense. I'm okay with it now. I mean, I'm in Ohio, so California to Ohio a week, not horrible. Anyhow, so I'm going to be doing a video on that, so watch that coming up as well. But I am going to end the vlog here, only for the fact that I've videotaped way more than I thought I ever would. And then I guess I'm going to start doing this once in a while. This is just kind of fun to take you along with me. But I'm going to end this here. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of video. As always, if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything. I have a lot of really good things coming up. So a lot of great, really cool ideas. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you like and share the video. I really appreciate that. It really helps me out when you do that. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. We are doing really well with the giveaway, so please make sure that you go to that video. I'll put a card right here, or at the end of this, actually right at the end of this video, there'll be a card. You can go to that. Go to the giveaway, make sure that you make a comment on that video, you like it, and then go over to Facebook and like, and then share that post on your Facebook, and you'll be entered. So really exciting stuff coming up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much, you guys. Bye.